Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, US unemployment rate was unchanged at 4.1% in October, and US economy added only 12,000 jobs in October, much less than expectations of 100,000. According to the S&P Global US Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index rose from 47.3 in September to 48.5 in October. According to the US Census Bureau, construction spending during September rose 0.1% from a month ago. 10-year Treasury yield jumps to 4.39% despite the disappointing jobs report. For the US stocks, S&P 500 rose 0.41% and the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.8%. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Friday that the unemployment rate was unchanged at 4.1% according to the household survey data. The labor force participation rate decreased slightly from 62.7 in September to 62.6 in October. According to the establishment survey data, total non-farm payroll employment increased by 12,000 in October, much less than expectations of 100,000. In addition, the number in August was revised down from 159,000 to 78,000. The number was also revised down from 254,000 to 223,000 in September. BLS said, quote, within professional and business services, employment in temporary health services declined by 49,000 in October. Manufacturing employment decreased by 46,000 in October, reflecting a decline of 44,000 in transportation equipment manufacturing that was largely due to strike activity, end quote. Employment in construction increased by 8,000. BLS said, quote, the industry had added an average of 28,000 jobs per month over the prior 12 months, end quote. When it comes to Hurricane Helene and Milton, BLS said, quote, it is likely that payroll employment estimates in some industries were affected by the hurricanes. According to the S&P Global US Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index rose from 47.3 in September to 48.5 in October. But a reading below 50 indicates an overall decrease compared to the previous month. The S&P Global said, quote, although the U.S. manufacturing sector remained in contraction territory at the start of the final quarter, there was some signs of the downturn easing. Uncertainty ahead of the presidential election was cited as a key reason for new orders continuing to fall, but the pace of decline eased, and production was scaled back to the smallest degree in 3 months. The U.S. Census Bureau reported Friday that construction spending rose 0.1% from $2,146 billion in August, which was revised up from $2,131.9 billion to $2,148.8 billion in September, up 4.6% on a yearly basis. 10-year Treasury yield fell as BLS reported last Tuesday that the number of job openings decreased to 7.4 million in September. However, the yield rebounded as BEA reported last Wednesday that the US GDP grew 2.8% in the third quarter, indicating strong US economy. Then it moved up further as the number of initial jobless claims dropped dramatically in the week ending October 26th, and strong personal spending was reported on Thursday. The yield dropped right after the disappointing jobs report was released. Then it rises above 4.38% as investors seem to ignore the jobs report because the jobs number was likely to be hurt by hurricanes and striking. For the US stocks, S&P 500 rose 0.41% and the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.69%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq gained 0.8%. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.